Hello, greetings, and welcome. My name is Trey Coker. This is a walkthrough of an e-commerce storefront project that I built called The Source. The inspiration for this project came from my partner who's training to be a health coach. I talked to her and some other people in that industry and just kind of questioned them about what kind of features they would want in a site, specifically selling digital products, digital courses, and subscription services. So this project was born out of that. It's built using React on the front end, we're using Node on the back end with Typescript, and we're also using Stripe to handle all of our payments. We're using media queries with SASS for responsive UI design. And let's check it out. I'm going to go ahead and give it a refresh here. See this nice animation come up on the top. We have this our call to action button here. This over here is our navigation menu. And we have our different routes here: home, courses, subscription, and dashboard. We'll get back to that though. I'm going to go ahead and show the landing page here. So as we scroll down, we'll see this about section. Nice little animation on these photos here. We have different styles of buttons throughout. This is a features section. And this, we come to our most popular courses here. Each of these is a course that can be purchased. If you click on this button here, it will bring you to this pop-up. If we click Start Checkout, it will actually take us to Stripe to complete the checkout process. I'm going to come back to that, so we'll leave that here for now, but we'll come back to Stripe Checkout here in just a moment once we finish with this page. Here on this button, we have the option to go to our subscription, and if the user wants to subscribe, then they can have access to all of the courses via the subscription. Here we have a reviews section, user reviews. We have this nice video going on in the background here. Each of these user reviews, if you hover over them, has this nice little animation where it gives you their name. And then we have a contact form here at the bottom. Just some nice little features going on here. You can send to an admin email. We have this footer here at the bottom, links, copyright, things like that. Let's check out our navigation now. So we have courses. So because we haven't bought any courses yet, if we click courses, it just takes us to the option to buy them. Subscriptions, we can sign up for a subscription, but first I'm going to go to the dashboard. We're going to sign in. This is our dashboard. We can sign in with Google. Sign in with one of my accounts. And from the dashboard, we can manage our subscription, cancel it, update it. We can attach a new payment option to our Stripe account. We can view our courses. Again, we haven't purchased any yet, so there's nothing there, or we can sign out our user. Let's go ahead and go back to the subscriptions page, and we're going to use Stripe to sign up for a subscription so we can demo that. So this is our subscription page. We go down here, we have two different options. There's a monthly membership, $25 a month, and a quarterly membership. If we choose that, whichever one we choose shows up here on this confirm at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and select that one, and that'll take us to the Stripe checkout page. I already have some dummy data in here on this account for demo purposes, so we'll do that just to demo it. Stripe is currently in test mode, but if we did go to our Stripe account, it would show up as an order being processed in test mode. So there we go. And now that we have a subscription, this routes us here to the subscribers only section here, which is the actual courses route. And from here we can select individual courses that we'd like to start. And so we can see that from here. If we go to courses, now we have access to that. One last thing I want to show with this project is the responsive design. So here we have it set to the dimensions of an iPhone SE. We have 375 by 667. And so we can see how the UI updates itself to be on a cell phone. Our layout changes based on the media query of what size of screen we're currently being viewed on. We have things like our card here where it no longer has hover features. So instead we're showing everything on one page. Things are still stacked differently, contact page. And that's it. Thank you so much for checking out this project. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to your feedback.